it's me, Semi00 here today. I'm gonna be making the Ironman, and after I might not be posting because I'm gonna be making a stop motion. Let's start opening this. Try to open it somewhere. Okay, guys, I got this this thumbtack opener. Let's go and try to open this. I got this out. How many pieces is this one? This one's 148 pieces. Less than the Thanos one. This one, the back side. Or this side. Okay. Let's open number one and split, and then let's make the character like we did in the last video. And if you guys haven't watched the last video, what are you doing? Watch the other video. Ironman put these things on his hands. I think I had one of these, and then I lost him. I had his face, definitely, and I had these things. They can shoot off if you press these on. They see, look. Oh, wait. Whoa. Whoa. See, that worked. We're just gonna keep that aside right here. Let's open the, oh, this is the wrong one. Let's open this. Push this out of the way so we don't get confused. I think this one's less because this one had it had these fingers things like you see on right there. So that's why. Let's start with one. So the evolutions. Okay, the evolutions look pretty easy. So we're gonna, right now, we're gonna be making the body. So we get this and this piece, and I'll start a time lapse and now. This is how it looks like. The front, the back, the side, the other side. And we got some extra, oh, we don't have extra pieces. We gotta put this on the back because of the blaster. And we gotta, yeah, we did put those on there. Okay, so now we make the arm. 2 is the arm, which is this. One of my least favorite parts, to be honest, because making the arms is kind of effort. Kind of takes effort, but not really. Okay, it's time. the Ironman one, the arms and legs, it definitely looks like I saw lightning. That scared me. It definitely looks like more of a robot than a human, like this one, because this one looks more of like its body, but this one looks more of a robot. And this one was definitely easier to make. So let's make the hands and then the legs, which is the third one. Where is the third bag? It is around here somewhere. Third bag, which is the legs or the feet. And let's start making the hands. Time that starts now. Okay, let's do the other hand. Right there. Okay, now we got some extra pieces. Let's go on with the legs, which is these ones right here, and the missile. And then we can show both of them, and then we can do the stop motion, and then that's it. Now we're doing the legs and the missile. Time lapse starts now. This one. Looking very cool, guys. We just need one more and then the missile. Time lapse starts now. Okay guys, it's almost done. All I gotta do is just add the missile. This is what it looks like. It looks really cool. What I was gonna say. On the picture, the Thanos one looks cool, but I think this one looks a little bit cooler. I don't know. This one looks pretty cool. Now it's time to add the missiles. Oh, it did. I just don't want to shoot it. Yeah, that's cool. So I needed 3. Then boom. We did it, guys. Okay, let's put this guy in. And he's ready to go. I'm gonna put a 2x2, I'm gonna put it by comparison and see how it looks like. Let me get Thanos. And Iron Man. Iron Man's definitely taller. So we got his these things. Oh, he fell down. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. And make sure you guys go check out when I made Thanos. And it's thundering right now, and I'm scared.
It's raining.
And thundering. And I'm gonna be doing a stop motion. If I don't post in a while, that's because I'm doing a stop motion. Let's you got the extra pieces. Goodbye.
You're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be